Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about importing new data, adding to the existing data set using Excel. Make sure that you've got your map ready, and we're going to make note of those column headers. Then you want to also have your spreadsheet ready and saved, and make sure those column headers are in the same placement and say the same thing as what you've got in there already. Once that's all ready, we're going to import new data, and we're going to import and add to the existing data set. Please see the other video for replacing the data set. Here we're going to add file or drop files here, and I'm going to choose that file. And those new locations are being dropped on the last page of my data. Just like that. And that's how you import new data, adding to your existing data set. Just remember, never have data you've already got in the data set on that new data when doing this. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.